Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on DENT token. On a daily time frame chart, recently the price of DENT token has broken out this very long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.001. You can see that for the past several weeks it is breaking out the resistance here, and before that it has been acting as support here and resistance here. Therefore, again, it is breaking out a very strong resistance. Now it is dropped down at this next long-term support at $0.0008. And if you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0008 is a very long-term support that has been previously acting as a very strong and long-term support here for several weeks a month. And after that, recently it has been also breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks, almost as a resistance here, and therefore again it can break a strong support after this breakout. And by the way, here for a few weeks it had been also acting as a support as well, and here as a resistance, and here as a support. And in today's video we will analyze this breakout once again. I would also like to show you this very huge breakout that is already happened here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you'd like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal mentioned in this report, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, like this is the trade setup for DYM. You just need to click and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 20th of April 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of DENT. And here on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that DENT token is breaking out different wedges and channels one after another. Like it broke out this huge falling wedge pattern. Then we had a short pump. Then we broke out another falling wedge pattern, a smaller falling wedge pattern as compared to the previous one. And then we had a very massive rally. Then we broke out this channel. We had another very nice pump. And now recently we have broken out another falling wedge pattern. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that since after the month of November 2024, since 26th of November 2024, it had been moving inside this channel up till here, up till 19th of April. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, another bounce, rejection, bounce. And finally, after getting squeezed inside this channel, we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And now we need to break out the next long-term resistance of $0.001 that had been recently reacting as a resistance here, resistance here, support here, and support here, resistance and resistance here. And now again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance for the price line of DENT. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge here, approximately at $0.002. But in my opinion, it can also hit this long-term resistance of $0.0022 as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance of $0.0022 has been previously breaking as a resistance here and as a support here in the month of January 2022 as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 2.3 cents to 2.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.